Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by tuning to standard E and finding a reliable reference. This ensures intervals are accurate. Next, memorize the major scale formula, whole, whole, half, because it's the skeleton for many patterns. Once done, place your chosen root on the low E and play the pattern slowly across the first 12 frets to internalize distances. Make sure to use alternate picking and count beats as you move. This builds both muscle memory and oral recognition. Now you map the 5 common box patterns across the neck so you can navigate any key. Start slowly, connecting adjacent boxes using shared notes. This shows you how shapes overlap and why positions aren't isolated. Practice with a metronome at 60 BPM, playing eighth notes, and then raise the tempo once clean. Also, incorporate hammer-ons, pull-offs, and slides to smooth transitions. These techniques reveal melodic possibilities and make scale practice sound musical rather than finish by applying scales. Jam over a backing track, choose one key and phrase like a musician, short motifs, repeats, and rests. Then refine. Record yourself, identify weak positions, and drill those boxes for 10 minutes daily to fix gaps. If you get stuck, slow everything to 40 or 50% and isolate the exact fret or finger causing trouble, then rebuild speed with small increments. This prevents errors from becoming habits and keeps your technique reliable under pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.